In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QuickBooks with Mailchimp to automate and maintain customer relationships. We'll keep this simple and practical. Start by opening Mailchimp in your browser and head to the main home dashboard. It's best to do this on a desktop so you can clearly see the navigation and settings. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Mailchimp account for your business so the integration shows up in the right place later. From the home dashboard, look for integrations. You'll usually find it in the main navigation or under your account tools. This is where Mailchimp connects with other apps you already use. And it's the hub that lets your marketing tools talk to your financial data safely and efficiently. Opening integrations sets you up to bring in customer and purchasing context from QuickBooks so your campaigns can stay timely and relevant. Inside integrations, use the search feature and type QuickBooks. Be sure to spell it as one word. You should see the official QuickBooks app appear in the results. This is the connection that lets Mailchimp access essential customer details, like who your customers are and what they've purchased, so you can segment, personalize, and automate without manual data entry. If you manage multiple regions or company files, just note which QuickBooks company you plan to connect, so everything syncs to the right list in Mailchimp. When you see the QuickBooks integration, click Connect. This button starts a secure connection process between the two platforms. You'll be guided through on-screen prompts to confirm that Mailchimp is allowed to read the data it needs from QuickBooks. The exact screens can vary slightly depending on your account configuration, but the flow is straightforward. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow them temporarily so the authorization window can open. After you finish, you'll come back to Mailchimp and should see QuickBooks listed as connected. Once connected, you'll notice how much easier it is to automate your marketing. With customer and purchase details flowing in, you can create campaigns that welcome new customers, re-engage lapsed buyers, and highlight recommended products or services. Use the incoming data to personalize subject lines and content, and consider setting up simple, always-on automations like post-purchase follow-ups and invoice reminders. Keep your audience clean by regularly reviewing synced fields and making sure tags and segments reflect how you actually sell. If something doesn't appear right away, give the sync a moment to complete and refresh your dashboard. Ensuring you have the right permissions in both tools also helps everything connect smoothly. And that's it! Mailchimp and QuickBooks working together so you can spend less time moving data and more time building stronger customer relationships.